today we're going to install a new crankshaft positioning sensor on this 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, I have the replacement here. There's the old one. Just made a video of how to remove that, and this is the video of how to install it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get it out of the box. Just make sure the old sensor does come out with the O-ring. Let's go ahead and go underneath and slap this back inside. Alright, let's go ahead and crawl underneath here, and let's go ahead and clean where the sensor goes to make sure it's clean from any debris and dirt and gum and whatever might be around that area. There it is. Alright, we're going to go ahead and insert our new crankshaft position sensor right in there. We're going to go ahead and put in the 10mm to secure it into place. Alright, and there it is. Just make sure you do screw that all the way down. Go ahead and tie this down using a 10mm. Not too tight, it is plastic. And let's go ahead and connect that pigtail into the sensor. Alright, just make sure it clicks into location or to lock itself into place, and you're set. Now let's go ahead and get out of here. Sweet, and that is how you install a new crankshaft positioning sensor on a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.